In this video, I'll show you how to use Peacock with Chromecast Ultra. Step 1 is to plug in Chromecast Ultra. Connect your Chromecast Ultra to your TV's HDMI port. Ensure that it is powered on and connected to the same Wi-Fi as your device. Step 2, open the Peacock app. Launch the Peacock app on your phone, your tablet or your computer. Log into your Peacock account if prompted. Step 3, cast Peacock to Chromecast. Tap the cast icon on the app's interface. Select your Chromecast Ultra device from the list and your screen should now appear on your TV. And that is how you watch Peacock on your Chromecast Ultra. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. And if you have any more questions, you can leave them in the comments down below. Bing bang bong.